Hey guys, we're in the Westwood neighborhood of Southwest Denver, and I'm going to show you this 3-bedroom, 2-bath duplex that just hit in the market this Thursday, the 11th. So check it out. You have new paint on the inside, newer flooring. Down the hall, you have your 3 bedrooms. You have 2 on the left, 1 on the right. That's going to be the master, and it rolls right over here into your kitchen. I'll show you this first. Boom, kitchen, you get clean, nice countertops, you have stainless steel appliances, and it goes right out to your chill little patio with nice little tiki bar. It's gonna stay. So you, out here in the summer, you're catching drinks. All these trees out front and around the house here, all these bloom in the summer as well. So you're gonna have like tons of shade, and this is an awesome little oasis back here. All right, come on back in. We'll go check out those bedrooms. Before we hit the bedrooms, check out, you have washer dryer right here. Newer appliances, those are staying with the property. And over here, this is storage. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2, and they both have these double door closet doors here as well. And what I like about this master's too is you have a nice walk-in closet, but then this is all trees and foliage in the summer too, so it's really just really private back here. And then you have your own full bathroom right here. Hey, I'm Sean Murphy with eXp Realty, the Moxie Denver team, and yeah, if you have questions, you want to set up a time to see this house, reach out to us, give us a call, shoot us a text, and we're happy to set one up for you. Thanks.